So this cake recipe is very popular in Portugal. It's unbelievably easy to do, it's very cheap, and it's so good, it's so good. You have to try it. You can leave it as moister as this one is, as raw, a little bit raw, or you can let it cook a little bit and it's still going to be very fluffy, but not as runny as this one. The name of this cake is pão de ló, which I don't know if it has any kind of translation in English, I don't believe so, but well, it's what it's called. So come on, let's cook. So let's start with our eggs. And you can see the ingredient list below in the video description. And the quantities that you are going to find there, it's for a cake pan around 30 centimeters of diameter. If you want a smaller cake, if you want around, I don't know, maybe 33, 34 centimeters in diameter, you can cut the quantities in half. Or better yet, you can do 2 cakes. One for you and one for anyone that you like. And if you are wondering what kind of tool this is, it's nothing special, it's just to separate the egg yolks from the whites, and you can find a link below for the Amazon. But you really don't need anything like this, you can do it with the egg shell. You don't need to spend money. Add the eggs, the sugar. Now let's take our mixer and turn it on the slowest speed first, okay? You should do this gradually because you don't want eggs all over your kitchen. So start with number 1, then number 2, then number 3, until you reach the higher speed. And yes, I know, what about if you don't have a mixer? Well, you can use any kind of mixer, you don't have to have a KitchenAid or something fancy, you can have a simpler mixer, it also works, or if you prefer, you can do it by hand. The thing is, it's going to be a lot tougher for you, it's going to be a workout. And when it's ready, let's add our flour. Now it's very important that you sift the flour, okay? And also do this gradually. Don't put it all at once, do this in portions. Fold in the flour slowly and do circular motions from the bottom to the top. And you do this until you don't see any flour left. Take your cake pan, and this one is around 30 centimeters in diameter, as I told you in the beginning of the video. Line with parchment paper. And take it to the oven that should be preheated into 180 degrees Celsius. Now this is very important, it should be there for about 15 minutes to 20 minutes. It's going to depend if you want it more raw or more cooked. And here is our cake. Just look at this beauty, just look at this. So here you have it, one of the most popular cakes in Portugal. It's very good, and if you like this recipe, please follow this link because this is another also popular Portuguese cake which is very easy to do and it's very tasty. So, my name is Miguel Teles, this is Tugakitchen, and I'll see you in the next video.